Hey everybody, it's John back with DeerAddiction. I'm fired up this year to do a 3-part video series of our hunting season, and we had a great hunting season this year. I already showed you my elk hunt out in Montana, which was amazingly successful. I'm going to take you back to archery season now, Pennsylvania archery. We hunt in northwest Pennsylvania where there's a lot of deer hunting pressure. We're going to do 3 parts here. We're going to do archery season. There will be a harvest there, really nice buck taken. His first year ever archery hunting, had a great season. And then we'll take you to the first week of rifle, which is deer camp. We love that time of year, it's a lot of fun. And we had an epic season this year with tons of snow. It was kind of crazy, just ridiculous amounts of snow, but still had some great success. And then we'll finish up with my deer of the year. Hopefully you enjoy this series. DeerAddiction, it's Lake Erie chestnuts. It's just what we do. We love hunting. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. Let's get you out in the woods. Just had that little button buck run away, and I just got in the blind, and here we have deer number 2. Just came right through the Egyptian wheat right there. So I don't know if it's the same deer. He looks a little smaller, but it could be the same deer. So this little girl's nervous. Let's go get them, boys. North wind. Let's go. First archery hunt. Let's see if he can get rookie luck like he did with his rifle. Let's go. Well, his very first archery hunt, and we had 5 legal bucks. Unfortunately, I lost a lot of that footage. It was great footage, but we have some of it, which I show you here.
Alright guys, here today's date is October 25th, Friday, time's 3:21 p.m. I'm without my deer addict brother, John Sango. He's out hunting out west in Montana, hoping he gets a nice big bull. So I'm out here, you know, safety first. I know John wants to make sure I'm good. I got the harness on, about to go get up in a stand. Yeah, wish me luck. What's up, everybody? A little tired out. Just got done grabbing a good-looking buck out of the woods, waiting for my other buddy Scott to get here. Come on, just side by side. I'm an idiot and forgot the keys that John let me borrow. You know, I hear something behind me. I'm in a tree stand. I hear something behind me. You know, I see the, you know, the top of the antlers, couldn't make out quite what it was, so I had to confirm as always. Saw the W. It's about 70 yards away. Just kept an eye on him, kept looking at him, kept, you know, kind of getting aimed in to make sure my, you know, I got my glass on him and make sure I get the right yardage. He's inching closer. For a while, like at 50 yards, he was playing this game where, not him playing the game, but, you know, I guess we're playing this game where I'm hiding behind the tree, kind of like, you know, like this, holding my crossbow up and looking to my right, looking to my left, seeing which way he's gonna come out. He never did. So finally, I just turned back around to my right, still see just his antlers, and he just inched closer and closer. It's about maybe a 30, 40-yard shot. You know, I just decided to take a, you know, smooth squeeze, and yeah, it dropped him. I mean, he stayed completely stuck in his tracks where he was. He just dropped right there. I see the entry or the exit wound. I can't quite see the entry, but it looks like the exit wound was kind of right below his spine. You know, maybe that's why he dropped, because, you know, I severed his spine maybe. But I do believe John got some good video of his on his trail cam of him actually dropping right there, because there's a trail cam right there. So hopefully he got that, John. Anyways, thank you, John, as always. You know, taking care of this land, beautiful land, and it's a great hunt. And yeah, that's John's favorite saying, buck in the truck. I haven't got it quite in yet, so I actually take that back. I got to get it in my truck first. So yeah, thanks for watching. Buck in the truck.
My archery season, it's a little tougher. I cut out the best 2 weeks because I was gone to Montana elk hunting. So it's always tough when I have those years where I go out west, but came back, got in the tree stand.
November 6th, PA Archery. It's raining, so we're sitting out the rain in the muddy. And then Joe's gonna go out to a spot, and I may go out to a spot. Wind is southwest. It's warm.
Saw flower from Bambi.
We did see a beautiful skunk. We'll show you some of that footage. Seen 2 fawns deep in the woods eating acorns, and that's where Joe's gonna set up. Hopefully find an unknown to us buck. That's the goal. See that dead log? Right there. You see that dead log? You can see him. He's walking. He's walking forward his steps. See him walking around ice creams. Get your ground going. Get your ground going. One deer here.
I injured a deer this year in archery season. Hate to admit that, but that's the first time in more than a decade, I think 12 or 13 years that that's happened. It was a careful shot, just a shot that went wrong, and was unable to recover the deer. So I put myself in timeout for the rest of archery season. We'll scroll through some of the good footage we got through the rest of archery season, and we'll head into camp. So you're not gonna wanna miss camp. Camp was epic. Snowpocalypse 2024. Thanksgiving afternoon, the snow started coming down. And if you know Pennsylvania hunting season, it starts the Saturday after Thanksgiving. So we had to travel out in the snow on Friday to get there in time for the season. And we had a great time and some amazing success. I don't know if there's much more that I enjoy more than some good old snow whitetail bucks.
Look at that, he ran right at us. Oh my gosh. Yes. Let's go. All right. Woohoo! That's what I'm talking about.